Hello, boys and girls. I am going to go over your Tuesday word work. The front page looks pretty similar. It's another chance for you to practice sorting these words with all of the different consonant digraphs. And again, remember consonant digraphs consist of consonants, no vowels, and they are two or more letters together that make the same sound. So for example, you've got chop. The CH is a consonant digraph because that CH is two letters that make one sound. So you have NG, TCH, PH, WH, SH, TH, and CH. And you are going to sort these words up top into the correct category. So you've got chop, that, catch, sting, shape, thin, trash, bring, bone, and while. So if it has the NG ending, you'll put it in these two blanks. TCH goes here, PH, WH, and so on. So you'll sort those one word on each line. In part B, you'll draw a line through the letter that does not belong and write the correct word on the line. So that means if you look at this word, and all of these words come from this list. So if you're unsure about how to spell them correctly or which one is incorrect or which letter is incorrect, look at the word and look for which spelling word it looks most alike. So I see this word, it looks a lot like catch, but not exactly like catch because it has that extra letter. So catch is spelled correctly here, and I see it does not have an S. So this does have an S, so I'm going to just cross that out. And then I will write it correctly on the line without the S. Okay? Same with trash. I look up here, I see trash does not actually have two S's. So I'll cross one out and I'll write trash correctly on the line as I see it up here. So that's what you're going to do for 11 through 20. On the back, we're going to look at more ways to change singular nouns to plural nouns by changing their spelling or doing nothing at all to the word, which is the case for some of these. Some nouns change their spelling from singular to plural, like mouse, and then more than one, you have mice. One goose, if you have more than one, you now have geese. So that's another example about how a noun will change its spelling to be a plural. But some words stay the same. You could have one deer or more than one deer. It's going to be the same word either way. You could have a fish or more than one fish. They stay the same. You don't say fishes. Instead, you could have sheep or you could have more than one sheep. So if we have number one, you're going to write one if the underlined word means one thing, write more than one if it means more than one thing. So sometimes you have to look at the clues in the sentence to know if a word is plural or not, such as with the words that stay the same. Number one, Max saw a baby sheep in the meadow. Now, is this more than one or just one? I can tell the answer because it says Max saw a baby sheep in the meadow. Just a baby sheep. Okay? That means only one. So I can just write one on the line. The sheep are in the field. So the sheep are in the field. That's telling me that it's not a sheep in the field, just one. It's sheep. So there's more than one sheep in the field. So I'll write more than one. Okay? Number three, the baby deer has little teeth. Okay? It's the baby deer. Just one. It doesn't just say baby deer have little teeth. That would be referring to all baby deer having little teeth, but it's just talking about this one. So it's one. 4 deer ran across the path. How can you look at this sentence and know if it's one or more than one? He watched many fish swim. So how can you tell if it's one or more than one? I saw him catch a fish. So write on how you can choose whether it's more than one or just one. So that's the back side. As soon as you're done, turn it in. Make sure you rewatch any parts of the videos that you may not understand and pause it if you need to write down your answers before I move on with reading the rest of it.